Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm doing a Monica Vinader unboxing. Mary's asleep, so I'm hoping she stays asleep while I film this. But if not, I'll, maybe she'll join us, who knows? Anyway, I thought I would share this video because I love Monica Vinader and I've ordered this necklace for a wedding, so I'm really excited about opening it. And yeah, I thought we'd do it together, just, you know, for funsies. Also, it's August bank holiday weekend, which means Monica Vinader normally give me a 20% discount, but right now they're giving me a 25% discount. So it's only for this weekend, which is why I'm trying to film this and get it up as quick as possible. So if you do want to buy anything from Monica Vinader, you can literally get a 25% discount off everything, literally everything. It's incredible. Like diamonds, you can get 25% off diamonds. That's crazy. Anyway, if you want to buy anything, click the link below. You don't need a discount code, just literally use my link and the code will automatically be applied at checkout. So if you want anything, 25% off this weekend only. But if you're watching this video after this weekend, you can get 20% off again with my link that's below. But yeah, if you're buying it right now, you'll get a little bit more discount. But if not, 20% still incredible. Anyway, let's do a little unboxing. Before we get started, I am wearing my current favourite Monica Vinader necklace. This is the outer necklace. The sun has suddenly come out so it can shine and glisten for us all, but I love this necklace. It's so beautiful. The way it catches the light is just so pretty. You can dress it up, dress it down, you can layer it up, wear it alone. It's cool, you know what I mean? It's like a cool, chunky necklace, but it's not so chunky that it looks like costume, do you know what I mean? Like it just looks really beautiful and luxy, but also cool. I love it. It's such a good necklace. Anyway, yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. Ooh. Yeah, it's called the outer necklace if you're curious. But anyway, today I'm unboxing something else, so let's have a look. Ooh, so here is the box. Look, fully sealed up. I have not opened it yet. I'm so proud of myself for not caving in and having a look. But yeah, let's get it open. Okay, so I have the box, it's open, and here is the bag it comes in. I love the way Monica Vinader give everything in a bag. It just means that if you're passing it on as a gift, it just makes it feel a lot more gifty, like you've gone into the shop and like picked it out in the shop, which I love. And also before I open the box, I just quickly want to run you through a few sustainability promises that they've got. Everything they make is made out of recycled gold and silver. They use conflict-free diamonds. They've got a 5-year warranty and lifetime repair service. They're a carbon neutral brand and all their packaging is recyclable, which is incredible. Yeah, so anyway, let's let's open it up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So here is the bag. It's a very beautiful bag. You also get a little sticker if you want to seal it up. So here is the box the jewelry comes in. It's very pretty, just really nice and substantial, and it keeps the jewelry in really good condition. Let's get rid of the cardboard. And then inside it comes in a little pouch. This is really good for keeping your jewelry looking lovely for years. I'm a big fan of like storing my jewelry properly. I'm not one of those people that likes to put my jewelry on like, I don't know, a bed frame or on a jewelry tree. I like to actually really package it away because that is how you increase the lifespan of your jewelry. I don't know, I just think pack your jewelry away properly and it will last a lot longer. Anyway, here is the necklace. It is so pretty. It is a pearl necklace because I'm going to a wedding. I just thought it'd be really nice to wear a pair of classic pearls. But this one, of course, has a bit of a twist because it's Monica Vinader. And it's got these gorgeous kind of gold pebbly beads which mimic the organic shape of the pearls. And then clasp is here and here. And you can just fasten it up. I will show you quickly how it opens. I've got one of these in a different colour. I'm really struggling to do it with one hand, forgive me. So here's how you open it. The clasp is actually really cleverly concealed in kind of like the feature part of the necklace, which I really like. And then you just literally hook the little jump ring through the clasp and it's just really cleverly done. It's really lovely. But yeah, I think it's beautiful. I'm going to put it on because I don't think the lighting is doing me many favours. Hopefully that's a bit better. I'm flashing some leg there, aren't I? But yeah, here is the necklace. I think it's beautiful. So yeah, let's put it on. I might try it with and without the necklace. I think they're going to sit at a similar length, so I don't know if they'll really complement each other as well as they should. But let's put it on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is the necklace worn with my other necklace. They're sitting at a similar length because they are a really similar length chain. I think they're an 18-inch chain. So what I'll probably do is I'll take this one off so that we can see the pearls on their own. But if you were kind of planning on wearing the two together, this is what they would look like. I actually quite like it though. It's kind of twisted together in a really like pretty way. But I think I'd probably stick to just the one. I don't know. What do you think? I think it's still kind of cool though. Yeah. Anyway, that's what they look like together. It's kind of cool actually. At first I was like, oh no, this looks bad. They're like sat at the same length. But now I'm like, kind of into it. Anyway, let's see what the pearls look like alone. Okay, so this is the pearls worn alone. You can wear it in a couple of different ways actually. I was going to say 2 ways, but you can actually wear it other ways, which I will explain in a second. But this is it with the pearls facing forward. But you can also wear it the other way around so that you've got the gold beady parts on display, which I actually prefer. It just gives a bit more interest to the necklace. I think it's really pretty worn like this. And then also what you can do is you can hook a little pendant onto here as well. I did that with my green one actually. This is not my first rodeo. I actually have this exact necklace but with the green beads instead of the pearls. But I just thought the pearls would be, oh look at that light. Oh look at that. You know when you're like, oh it's really catching the light. It's so pretty. Not me, I ruin it, but like the necklace is so pretty. Anyway, yeah, that's how I will wear it. I will be wearing it with the pearls and the gold both exposed. And I don't know if I'll put a little pendant on or not. I might do, but you can. But yeah, you could even like slip a little ring on. That would be quite cute as well. But yeah, you can wear it like with just the pearls at the front, or you can wear it with the pearls and the gold on show. You can also wear it so that like it's a bit off center like this, so it's a bit more cash, or you can wear it so that the clasp is at the very front. Again, it's a concealed clasp, so it doesn't look like a clasp, but you can put a little pendant on, which I might go and do. I might go get a pendant, hang on. Okay, so I've just picked out this pendant. I'm not sure if this is the one I'd wear. I think I'd probably go for a smaller pendant, but this was the nearest one at hand. So I'm just going to slip this onto the necklace and show you how I mean that you can wear it. But yeah, you literally just slip it onto the clasp and it just gives another look. I really like Monica Vinader because I feel like everything's really versatile. Like you can wear things alone, you can stack them up, you can wear them in the day, you can wear them at night, you can kind of customize them with different charms, you can just layer them up and make them a bit more personal, which I really like. And also you can personalize a lot of pieces, like this one for instance. I haven't got it, but on the back you could like put your initials or somebody else's initials or write a little message, even do a doodle, which is really cute. But yeah, a lot of pieces can be engraved, which I think is really sweet, especially if you're buying something for a bride. Anyway, yeah, let me just pop this on and show you. So here it is, worn with a little pendant. I would probably do a smaller pendant, I think. But this was literally the nearest one I had at hand, and I do love this pendant. It is quite cool though. Maybe that size is quite fun. I don't know. Anyway, that is it with the pendant. So you've got options of how to wear it. You can wear it with the pearls at the front. You can wear it with the gold at the front. You can wear it with the pendant. And you can stack it up as well. Actually, do you know what? I might go get a necklace to stack it up. And then we can have another look to it. Okay, BRB. Okay, here it is. I've added on this miniature outer necklace. Actually, I love this one as well. I often wear the two outer necklaces together, but you can just see that you can like stack up the necklaces, and you can even kind of like get one a bit hidden so that you just get like occasional flashes of it, which I think is quite cool. But yeah, this is what it looks like layered up with another necklace, but you could always layer it up with another two, whatever you want. But yeah, I love it. I'm so happy with it. It's so pretty. Gonna wear it to my sister's wedding. I don't even know which dress I'm wearing, but I do know which necklace I'm wearing. But yeah, I just love it. It's so pretty. It's so classic, but it's also really cool. And like I said, if you're buying anything from Monica Vinader, you can always get a 20% discount code with my link. But right now you can get a 25% discount code, which I think is incredible. Anyway, that's what the two look like together. I swear to God, every time Mary has a nap, I'm like, I should really do like the washing up or hoovering or I don't know, cleaning the bathroom. And then what do? I do an unboxing. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm like do you know what, I'm gonna film. I'm gonna use this time for me, not for doing housework. Anyway, that's my new necklace. Absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. Yeah, if you want to buy anything from Monica Vinader, 25% off this weekend, which I think is incredible. Anyway, I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.